Buenos. My name is Lynn. Call me Lucky. Today is Tie Tuesday. Today, I'm wearing kind of a special tie. This is my jean tie. I actually made this myself. I made it from the trimmings of jean pants that I own, and honestly, I think it turned out quite nice. I also have a khaki tie that I made from khakis that I own. And overall, I kind of wish I had more handmade ties. All in all, I think I own 3 or 4 handmade ties. All of which I don't wear often because they're not very professional. But they do look quite nice, and today it actually works out really well with my outfit. I don't know if you can see, you definitely can't see this. One second. You definitely can't see this, but I'm wearing my jean tie with jeans and a blue shirt, and the whole fit works out actually really well. Anyhow, I wasn't feeling all that well today, so I decided it would be nice to take a day trip to the beach. So that's what I'm doing right now. The weather is beautiful, perfect, like 22 degrees, and the sun is out, not a cloud in the sky. Honestly, I should have brought my fishing rods, so I can take a nice fishing trip. But the camera's nice. Thought it would be worth the trip. And I think this will help me get out of my rut. I haven't been feeling too great recently, so I needed to get some sunlight. Like a plant, touch some grass, and generally just feel better. Anyway, I'll take some videos and show you what it looks like going to the beach. So let's take a ride.